Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300. If you have one of those and you need to find the relay for the fuel pump, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. Yeah, it may be at two different locations, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to test the relay, where it's located, and if your fuel pump still does not work, we'll explain what else could cause that. So in this video today, we'll share quite helpful information, guys, that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So what we have here, 3.6 V6 Chrysler 300 engine, guys. Now let's go ahead and explain what we need to do. This is the fuse box right here. In order to open it, you have two things that you need to push towards each other, pull up, open it. But the fuel pump relay is not here. Actually, it's in the trunk of your Chrysler 300. So let's pop the trunk open and we'll explain what you need to check. So right here in the trunk, you're going to have the spare tire. Right here, car battery, and you have a fuse box. That fuse box, you push that thing this way and pull it open, okay, just like that. Now you may, guys, have up to 2 relays for the fuel pump. One of those, on some specific models, I believe it's on the 6.2 engine, you will have this right here, guys. I'm talking about the V8 engine. You may have that relay right here, so check for that one. Now if you have a regular engine, 3.6, most likely, guys, or even the 5.7, I think, Hemi, you will, guys, have another relay, okay, and you will need to check relay number 72. We are talking about that relay right here. That relay is for the fuel pump. If you need to buy a replacement relay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from for a good price and quick shipping. Another thing, if you guys need to see how to test the relay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.